Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam. In today's video, I am sharing my favorite fall candles from Bath & Body. These are like my fall staples for 2023. They smell so good, so strong, so cozy. I also got a few bath products that I wanted to share with you, and stocked up on some hand soaps because they always have like a good deal on those. Here is today's video mug. I got this recently. I feel like I missed out on this last year. It's just this double jack-o'-lantern. So adorable. Kind of reminds me of a snowman. Not that I'm thinking of Christmas, and it's not like I've already watched 2 Christmas movies. Maybe I have. I don't know. I want to say TJ Maxx or Home Goods, maybe even Marshalls, but to me those stores are all the same, so you could probably find it. You could probably find it if you searched it. If you guys want, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm still doing my 100 Days of Halloween Happy photo challenge. All of the photos, all of the reels are so adorable. I love keeping up with how you guys are celebrating, counting down to Halloween. So if you want to join us, you can head over to my Instagram and start participating in that. And part 4, guys. That is kind of depressing because then that just means Halloween's literally here by tomorrow. So yeah, part 4 will be coming out on my Instagram. I'll post that eventually, so stay tuned for that. If you guys want to support this channel, you can join my membership here on YouTube, or you can check out my Patreon. We have a lot of happenings, a lot of like Halloween happy happenings go on over there. The YouTube memberships, it's all new to me, so I haven't really figured out what exactly I want to do. I just started with like some really quick low tiers, nothing too crazy or anything like that. So check it out if you're interested. So let's talk fall candles. I have the window open, so you're probably going to hear a lot of construction, and I am looking into getting some kind of mic for my camera because the audio scratches my ears whenever I go back and edit the footage. So hopefully it's not too awful on your ears, but I'm hoping to save up for a mic, so yeah. Back to the candles. I used to think that buying candles and burning them is kind of a waste of money. Sure it is. Some people say yes, some people say no. It just depends. But also I felt kind of like a hypocrite because when people would do fireworks for 4th of July, I'm like, you're literally just burning your money. Like, give that to me instead. I had a thought and I was like, well, I guess that's kind of the same with candles, but fireworks are disgusting. I literally hate fireworks. They scare all the animals. There's no need for them, but I digress. So Bath & Body recently had a huge sale on all of their candles, all of their 3 wicks, and I splurge during this time of fall because it's the only time that I can get things that I actually like, things that I enjoy, and things that I want to put into my apartment. I got mostly fall scents because I feel like they will also be on sale towards Christmas, so you can get some of the Christmas scents, probably like in November. Before we get into candles, I'm just going to go ahead and go over the bath products real quick, and then the hand soaps, and then we'll get into the candles. I don't know if it was my location of Bath & Body, but I personally wasn't too thrilled about their Halloween stuff. I don't really care for the packaging this year. I don't care for the packaging this year on the 3 wicks either. I miss like back in 2016, 2017 how the candle labels were, how the candle labels looked, and just the packaging of everything. It's fine, whatever. I know it's not all about the packaging, but if I'm gonna spend money, I want it to look cute, you know what I mean? Body products. I feel like they always have these on sale. I think I needed to spend like a certain amount to get free shipping or something, so I grabbed 3 of these. I think it was buy 2 get 1 free, I want to say. I grabbed these in the scent of Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, which I got last year. I think I actually have a spray bottle still left. This was either last year or the year before. I thought this packaging was really cute because it's kind of like a fall bakery, which is really adorable. These ones don't really yell out, hey, it's fall, y'all, but that's okay. And the packaging it's all right. I mean, also picked up the body wash gel and grabbed another body spray, which I need to spray. I took a shower today, but my armpits are so smelly. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't put on deodorant, but they should still smell fresh, you know what I mean? I feel like they just didn't have a lot of body fall fragrances. I don't know, maybe it's me, maybe just the location I went to, but I did get these online, so Bath and Body, what's going on? If any of you guys haven't tried the marshmallow pumpkin latte, I feel like it's not as light as some of the other ones. So it's kind of like vanilla, you get that marshmallow and like pumpkin, so it's sweet with a little vanilla. Moving along to hand soaps, I grabbed a few of these because I think these were also on sale. This first one is the white coconut caramel, coconut flakes, toasted hazelnut, and a caramel swirl. Amazing. It's pretty light. Fragrance that I smell the most is coconut, sandal sweet wood, creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, and cozy cashmere. I prefer this one over the coconut one. Afternoon apple picking. I believe this is a new fragrance this year. I could be wrong. Oh my goodness. This smells delicious. So it's crisp apple, succulent pear, and cinnamon. Love, love, love that one. Also had to grab my go-to, the sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I'm obsessed with this one. I try to get this fragrance every year because it reminds me of my mom, and it just reminds me of fall days from when I was a child. Time to get into the candles. So I picked out Sweater Weather. This one is a very popular one. Let me know if you guys are obsessed with it. Sage, juniper, and eucalyptus, which are all three great fragrances. And it just smells like a nice cabin, like you're away for the weekend, you're unpacking at the cabin, you slip into your cozy sweater that smells like laundry detergent. It smells so good. Love this one. I always get this one. I went ahead and picked up a few of the apple pumpkin. If you love apple and you love pumpkin, I highly recommend this one. It's nice and sweet, kind of makes your mouth water, but I feel like this is a strong one. I love getting this in the plugins because it's so strong. I love using this one in my office. It just smells so good. I love it. Red Delicious Apple, Fall Pumpkin, Fresh Ground Cinnamon, Clove Buds, and I grabbed 3 of these ones. It's so good. It's really good for the winter too. Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, as I mentioned, it's one of my must-haves for fall. It's so good. It just reminds me of Michael's when I used to go in there when I was a kid with my mom, and we would look at all the Halloween decor. Such good memories. So with this one is warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, vanilla cream, and brown sugar. This one is a little bit lighter with the throw. It's not going to be as strong as like the Sweater Weather. It's not going to be strong as Leaves. Grabbed 3 of these. And this one I feel like is a good fall one, but I also love this one come winter time. And it is the Frosted Cranberry. Cranberries, apple, and tonka bean. And it is so good. I feel like this one is also strong, probably as strong as the apple pumpkin. Oh, I just love this one so much. It makes me want to melt in my chair. It has such a nice tart to it. My mouth is literally watering, and I know we're not in fall yet, or by the time this video goes up, we've just started fall season, but I love winter as well, you guys. Like fall and winter, they are both my favorite seasons. I love them both, and so I had to grab a winter candle, and I can't wait until the Christmas candles come out. I'm sorry, don't unsubscribe, but I was born in December, so my heart melts for all things Christmas too. Grabbed a Fireside, and this one I actually feel like it's not so much of a staple for me. I don't know if it's because I never think of it, or maybe it's just always sold out when I go to buy my candles. Wait, isn't there like a toasted marshmallow one, or is that this one? No, this is different. I feel like, isn't there like a marshmallow one, like toasted marshmallow? So it's smoked cedar, fresh clove bud, warm embers. Let me know if you guys know if this is a new one. The label on this one I love. So cozy, so dreary. This one kind of reminds me of Leather from Yankee Candle. Kind of has that hint of cologne. I think this won't be as strong as Burning, the Sweater Weather, or the Flannel. Picked up a Harvest Pomegranate, and I believe this is a new one. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's new to me. Rich pomegranate, freshly picked apples, sweet black plums. I feel like the apple is a little stronger than the pomegranate. Maybe it's just from smelling all the candles, but I kind of wish it would have been more pomegranate. But it smells good. I think I will like this one, and I think I would probably get it again next fall. I feel like I got a lot of apple themed candles, which I like apple candles, but I wish I would have gotten more like pumpkin fragrances. Apple Weather, I think this is new. Love the label just because it has all of the leaves and it's like glowing. Fresh farm stand apples, lavender leaves, cinnamon bark, which I love. This kind of smells like Macintosh from Yankee Candle. I feel like this will be another lighter fragrance because sometimes you don't always have to be burning a candle that's gonna like smack you in the face with a fragrance. So real quick, let me know, because with Bath & Body, I feel like they try to do different labels and jars for their fragrances. I'll show you here in a second. Let me go back to that. So I grabbed a Flannel. I love this one so much. I feel like it's probably in my top 3 from Bath & Body fall candles. Oh my goodness. It just smells like a very, very handsome boy. You know, it smells so good. It's fresh bergamot, which I love. Heirloom mahogany, which is great. Soft musk. This one, do they make this one in a body spray? Because I need it. It smells so lovely. Just makes me melt. Every time I talk about this flannel candle, it reminds me of Sam and Dean Winchester from Supernatural. Like in my mind, this is what they smell like. So if you're a SPN fan, grab this candle and just light it and just daydream about snuggling with Dean and Sam. So I grabbed 2 of these. What I was going to ask you is, you know how sometimes they do the clear jars with the label, or they do a colored jar, or they'll do a plain jar but it's with the label all the way around where you can't see the flame? I enjoy seeing my flame. I like when the candles come like this because you can always turn it around and you can see the flame, you can see it glowing. It just adds a little cozy vibe. Whereas with these ones, you can kind of see a glow, but you just can't see it as well. So I always like the clear jars with just the little small labels. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're even picky about that. I grabbed Leaves. I haven't smelled this one in a while, so this is apple, cinnamon, and clove. Sign me up for all of those. I love, love, love. What the hell? Are you joking? This candle is lovely. Let's say it's almost as good as the flannel. All right, so top 3, okay? And these are like the more fall musky candles, all right? If we did fruity, apple pumpkin would be number 1. Let's say that flannel would be my number 1 pick because it smells so good and it's so strong. Leaves is number 2. It is so close right behind flannel. This one kind of has more spice where it's not just that straight cologne smell. And then I would say Sweater Weather would be number 3. Like, it doesn't even smell good compared to those 2 that I've been smelling. By itself, it actually is a good fragrance. All right, guys, that's going to be it for my fall candle essentials from Bath & Body. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite fragrance is to burn during fall. Don't forget to like this video on your way out. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, that way you are notified when I have a new video out. This morning I actually did a live premiere with the chat, so turn on notifications for that if you want to be notified We can watch together, we can chat together. It's always a good time. You can chat with the rest of my community. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my social media links are listed down below. Happy fall! I cannot believe fall is here. Enjoy it because it's gonna go by so fast. As always, thanks for watching. I love you. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!